Amid the excitement over AI transforming industries like healthcare, advertising, and logistics, one sector has largely flown under the radar: the legal profession. Surprisingly, law firms may achieve the highest return on investment from AI. Law firms, often seen as traditional, have quietly integrated machine learning into core operations for years. Platforms like Westlaw have embedded AI into their processes, helping with research and analysis. Now, generative AI is rapidly spreading through law firms, revolutionizing how they operate. Individual lawyers and entire law practices are embracing AI models like ChatGPT, leading to remarkable gains in efficiency, accuracy, and client results. Firstly, AI-driven time and cost savings are substantial, not just incremental. Legal operations see significant improvements in day-to-day processes. AI-native law firms, those that extensively use AI, are emerging as a new breed, significantly more efficient and competitive. At these firms, AI is customized to fit the firm's work methods, making it even more powerful. This personalization allows AI to handle tasks like case evaluations, follow-ups, and document drafting, all tailored to the firm's standards. In these firms, AI also aids support staff, helping them prepare cases, assess risks, and interact with clients, even if they haven't worked with specific lawyers before. AI-native firms increasingly use generative AI to service clients who need personalized attention, from pre-litigation strategy to discovery and depositions. So, why is AI extraordinarily useful in law? It's been said that the legal world operates in 6-minute increments. AI can accomplish in seconds what might take hours for a junior associate, leading to massive cost savings. These time reductions are common in the intellect-intensive field of law. AI helps lawyers and paralegals manage the vast amounts of data they deal with daily, reducing the risk of mistakes and improving overall productivity. The result? Gains far beyond the typical 10 to 20% improvement seen with other technologies. Moreover, AI-native firms can grow without expanding support staff, allowing them to focus resources on more profitable areas. AI reduces operational costs, freeing up funds for marketing and business development, making these firms more competitive in the market. But AI isn't just about cost and efficiency. It also enhances employee experience. By offloading repetitive tasks to AI, lawyers and paralegals can focus on more meaningful work, improving job satisfaction and retention. In effect, they become supervisors of AI, teaching it their methods and sharing these across the team. AI-native firms are also better positioned to handle complex cases, including lucrative contingency work. AI can evaluate cases quickly, allowing firms to take on larger and more challenging cases with confidence. This adaptability is key to staying competitive in a rapidly changing legal landscape. Despite these benefits, many law firms are slow to adopt AI. A 2023 Thomson Reuters survey found that 60% of firms had no plans to use generative AI. But for the other 40%, AI offers a significant competitive edge. These firms are likely to see greater growth and profitability, setting an example for other intellect-based professions. In the end, the legal profession may be one of the biggest beneficiaries of AI, and those firms that embrace it will lead the way in a new era of law.